Happy New Year to all the trail lovers. Passionate hikers are en route to Kananaskis for the first hike of the year 2023. Hi guys, it's Deepshikha Brar. Welcome to my hiking channel. We planned a very easy hike today, Baldy Pass Trail to Midnight Ridge Lookout, and all ready for the hike. On this Christmas, my son gifted me this custom-made banner and we are proudly posing with this. After parking and crossing the highway, the trail felt like a straightforward, steady-state cardio ascent up a mountain. Trail is well marked and well beaten, but if you step off in certain areas, the snow is very deep. It's a good steady incline for the first 2/3 and then steeper for the last 1/3. We quickly reached the lookout point and we were planning to hit Midnight Peak from here, but it was getting a bit windy and cold. We spent some time on the lookout, had small lunch, took some pics, and had some fun time.
He's a date.
Sadly, there was not much to see from the pass. We decided to summit Midnight's Peak in summer and started our descent. Descending is so much fun on these kind of trails and it's good cardio too. I reached the parking lot in just 45 minutes and waited there for the rest of the group for a while. Another well-spent day with my hiking buds. Each fresh peak ascended teaches something new. See you on another trail next week.